Before you begin, remove the access panel. Removal. Remove the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the option board to the motherboard. Using a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, lift the edge of the option board to disconnect it from the motherboard. Slide the option board out of the cutouts in the chassis and remove. Replacement. Slide the option board into the cutouts in the chassis and align the screw holes in the option board with the standoffs on the motherboard. Press the option board into the connector on the motherboard. Replace the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the option board to the motherboard.